Windows 11 Notepad just got a major upgrade. Tables and AI streaming. Here's what you need to know. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest features in Windows 11 Notepad. Yes, the simple text editor just got a big boost. Microsoft has introduced a Create a Table feature, and for those with Copilot Plus PCs, AI text streaming is here too. Let's break down everything you need to know. First up, the Create a Table feature. Click the Table button in Notepad. Select rows and columns with the grid picker or type the numbers manually. Add rows, columns, and type inside cells with bold, italic, underline, and even hyperlinks. Right-click to insert or delete rows/columns or remove the table entirely. It's lightweight, simple, and perfect for quick tables without using Word. You can add rows and columns easily. Notepad will automatically format them with. Click inside cells to type and apply basic formatting like bold, italic, underline, and even add hyperlinks. And it doesn't stop there. Right-click in a table to insert or delete rows/columns. Remove the table or select specific rows or columns. If your table gets messy, use Fit Columns to window width to tidy things up. It's perfect for simple tables without opening a heavy tool like Word. Next, the exciting part for AI users. If you have a Copilot Plus PC, Notepad can now stream AI-generated text in real time. Previously, AI responses in Notepad only appeared once the text was fully generated. Now it types out answers live, just like ChatGPT. To try it, right-click anywhere in Notepad, click Write, and generate text. You'll see it appear instantly. Good news! This AI streaming feature is coming to all PCs in the next few weeks, so everyone will get a taste of it soon. From settings, you can turn off Copilot features if you don't want AI assistance. Remember, the table feature is lightweight and super efficient, so it won't slow your system down. So, whether you're organizing data quickly or generating AI text live, Windows 11 Notepad is now more powerful than ever, without losing its simplicity. That's it for today's Notepad update. Are you going to try the new tables or AI streaming first? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more Windows 11 tips and tricks.